Times are hard, so let's go to my bank and get some money. Here we go. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm actually going to the market to get some milk, because in this video I'm gonna be redoing a Dalgona coffee. So see you guys later. Hey guys, I'm back. So before I go and make the coffee, I just want to tell you a little bit more information about the coffee itself. So Dalgona coffee, right? So actually the name comes from the Korean snacks Dalgona. So there was this actor called Jung Young-un. He found out this coffee, and the coffee actually tasted like the Korean snack or drink, which is Dalgona, and it tastes like honeycomb coffee. So that's how the name came about. And this coffee is very similar to Vietnam egg coffee also, because if you guys try before, Vietnam egg coffee is also a foam based coffee. So yeah, and it only works on instant coffee because of the compound inside the instant coffee. And yeah, the last time I did it, I used a lot of water. Like I put too much water, that's why it didn't work. So yeah, we're supposed to put just the same amount of water as the coffee and the sugar. So yeah, let's give it a try this time. Finally, it is starting to foam up. Finally did it, and I used strawberry milk instead. I thought it would just be cooler. So yeah, let's give it a try. Wow, it is very strong and super sweet. I don't really like that. It is super sweet because usually I would just put one sugar in it. But I think in order to get that foam, we put in more sugar. Yeah, it's super sweet. And if you're not a coffee drinker, I don't think you should be drinking this because it's really strong. Yeah, 2 tablespoons of coffee. It also tastes like sugar cane. It's just weird, I don't know. It's not bad. Maybe you should drink this in the morning, because yeah, it just give you power, enough energy for the whole day. It'll keep you up awake for sure, but if you drink this at night, you're probably gonna die. So wow, it's super sweet. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll be heading out. So bye guys. Yo guys, so a little bit of an update on my challenge. So I've been doing 100 push-ups and 200 reps of abs workout, and yeah, it's been 10 days and there's not much change. But one thing that I realized is that for push-ups, I'm starting to manage to do more. Like right now I can do 50 straight. So when I started off, I can only do 20, and then I have to get a rest for a while, then continue. So yeah, that's just an update for you guys. time for cardio. And our building is actually 18-story high, and I'm gonna climb that twice. Let's go. Level 2. I'll see you guys on the 18th floor. Bye. Okay, so the fatigue start to come in at level 12. We still got 6 more to go. Let's go. Woo! Hey. Woo. That was actually quite tiring. Didn't expect that, but yeah. Let's go for one more round. This is actually a pretty good leg workout. Yeah, I'm done, man. Oh, by the way, the view from the 18th floor is actually not bad. Check it out. Alright, I'll end the vlog here. I hope you guys stay healthy and stay safe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another vlog.